Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before and you're returning, thank you so much. Also, if you're new here and just maybe one time stop by, I don't give a damn. Thank you for being here and checking it out. Today is my Boxycharm review for the month of May, and damn it, I'll be damned if they didn't do it again. They did not send me a card. So I had to put in the footwork. And look up all the items. I do not know, like the card says like what, you know, it usually has a name for the month. What's it called? Anyhow, I don't have it. It says like what kind of box they're going for. I think this month was Mother Nature. I don't know, but I didn't get the card cert again. I think this is like 2 months in a row. So let's just jump into the box and what I got this month. So this is the base box. I don't get the premium box. I do get the Boxy Luxe. So first thing that I looked up was the palette. So this is a Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. It's a Boxycharm exclusive. It said that as I was looking it up, and it retails for $35. This is the palette right here. Pretty colors. I don't know that I need this palette like in my collection because I feel like I already have every single color. Like I have a ColourPop palette that pretty much has all this. So you know what? I don't know. The hell with it. Let's give it away. So I'm gonna give it away. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. You want to be entered into the giveaway. You just have to be just subscribe to my channel. That is it. We're giving this away. I'm gonna give away more stuff too. I don't know what, but I'm gonna give away more stuff. If I'm already gonna be shipping or any of that, or just putting together a box, we'll give away more stuff than just that. So the second thing, I guess I really didn't talk much about it. It is a cute palette, right? It is a really cute palette. I feel like I already have something like this and I don't need it. I'm not gonna touch the palette or swatch the palette because I'm giving it away. So there you go. It's a nice little warm tone moment. I do like this color Dusk in here, and then the blush right next to it. I don't know, you could serve up some looks with this palette. Cute little travel palette, whatever. Small, fits in your bag. I'm an idiot. God, I feel so much. I'm gonna have to refilm this other video. I filmed this look. I'm gonna have to refilm it because I fucked up. Anyhow, moving right along. So the second thing I looked up is I got some makeup wipes, and these are the I AM Beauty Care makeup wipes. They're Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum makeup wipes. I did, when I was filming this look, I had one out, and they do feel nice. I mean, it's a makeup wipe. It worked, it wiped. It was hydrating, which is nice. They don't smell too strong, which is also nice. I don't like super scenty things on my face. So, but $17 for these wipes. I wouldn't buy them again. I would not buy $17 makeup wipes. You get 25 of them. I just wouldn't. But if you're into $25 makeup wipes, they are nice, but go get you some Neutrogena. They go on sale. You can get 2 for $5. Does the same damn thing. Or save a wipe, wash your face without a wipe. I rarely use wipes. Sometimes traveling, or you know, just different reasons I will, but I try to minimize the use of makeup wipes. Who fucking cares, right? I'm on a tangent now. Okay, so what did oh yeah, so I got this. So this is cool. It's a Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Smells pretty good. I like Glam Glow. This retails for $49. I haven't yet used it. I just got my box a couple days ago, but I don't know, you get a good amount too. This feels like heavy. 2.5 ounces. So that's cool. Cute little berry moment. I like it. Smells good. So $49, and the box is $25. Like, this already makes it worth it for me. Just because I pretty much got this for half off. So there. So also I got this Pretty Vulgar eye primer. This retails for $22. I'm not huge on eye primers. They work. I don't know that I need this, so I'll probably go ahead and give this away too. I have some other unused items that I haven't touched that I'll probably throw in there But that'll just be a surprise. Again, just go ahead, like the video. Look, I'm already adding shit. All you have to do is subscribe. And I'm like the video, call my mom, tell her how wonderful she is. I'm joking. Okay, but really call my mom. No. Go ahead and just subscribe, like the video if you want to, I guess, or dislike it. I don't really care at this point. I'm so bummed I filmed that video and I fucked it up. Ugh. Okay, take a breath, take a breath. This is gonna be such a quick review because I'm just like bantering on and going through it. So I got soap. Not only did I get soap, I got $24 soap. This is wild. So Daily Concepts shampoo bar, plant-based vegan soap. This right here, like I'm excited to check this out. I don't think I've ever used a $24 bar of soap. My husband orders me this soap that I really like, and I don't even think that is $24. I think it's like $11, which is still a little bit more than I'd probably want to pay for a soap. Especially, I go through soap. I don't use body washes just because a lot of them can be too scenty or whatever, and they irritate my skin. It smells so good. So it has avocado oil, nopal, cactus, I don't know if I'm saying that right, some aloe in here. It says rich in EFA oils for elasticity and natural shine. I'll tell you what, if it does improve my skin and I feel a little bit less dry and a little bit more shiny. Oh, this is, oh, I'm so dumb. Shampoo bar. It's not soap, it's shampoo. Oh my God. I am such a dork. See, I have a problem with not reading things fully. So this is for your hair. Shampoo bar. And I read it. I knew it said shampoo bar, but I was just like, oh, it's soap on a robe. It's shampoo bar on a robe. Wow. Well, dang, I was hoping I found a soap that would improve like my elasticity and the saggy ass. Damn, individuals who think in the shower. That's funny. Well, I guess I'll give it a go. That's kind of cool. Could have sent a bitch some conditioner though, right? That does smell good. I wonder how long that this will last as a shampoo bar. I know my husband, he likes the one, it's a shampoo bar from Lush, and I've tried it. I have a thing like where, and I get like, there's two different types of people. Like a lot of those natural shampoos, they don't lather, and that's okay, it still works, but I need a little bit of lather in my life. I don't know, it's just probably growing up washing your hair with whatever and it lathers good, so you assume clean, I don't know, but I feel good about a good lather. So if this lathers, I was thinking to kind of give it away as a soap too, but now that I did fondle, like I pulled it out of the box and touched on it, like y'all don't want that. I don't know how to sand it, rinse it. You get a wet soap in a box. I'm such a fool. I did that in another review where I totally thought it was something else and it wasn't. Silly. What a silly Sally. Anyhow, so that is everything that I got in this month's box. I don't know, it's not the most exciting box that I got, but I'm happy. I'm like, kind of now I'm excited about this little shampoo bar soap. I am really excited about this. I'm excited for this Glam Glow mask. If I wasn't so selfish, I'd give it away, but your girl has to check this out. But yeah, I will be giving away this palette again. Just like, subscribe right here. It's pretty cute. And then I will give away eye primer to go with it. It's pretty vulgar. I haven't tried a whole lot from them, but anything that I have tried, I have not been disappointed with. So again, comment down below. The total of this month's palette is $147. So not too bad for $25. You get $147 worth of products. And again, what I really like is if it's a repeat that I get, which doesn't happen too often, surprisingly, since I have been a subscriber for quite a while with this box. or things that I know that wouldn't work for me, you can put them aside and gift them to other people, and you can usually come up with like a pretty cool like gift, you know, that like, I mean, you paid for, but you didn't really pay for, and nobody's mad at it, right? They're getting product. Who cares? It's new. It's not like I use my soap bar, right, and give it away, because that would be kind of tacky, but kind of funny. I can't wait to tell my husband what a dork I am, because I ran in there and showed him. I was like, look, it's a soap on a rope. And he was like, okay, cool. He's in there showering. I said, but you can't use it yet. I'm so smart. Anyhow, yeah, so you can put it together for like gifts and things like that, which I think is really cool, really thoughtful. I've, in a pinch, pulled together some really cool gifts. Last minute birthday parties, or procrastinated on buying something, or didn't have a whole lot of cash, so I'll just take the things and either give it away pretty quick away, like to my mom or whatever, or I'll just kind of set things aside and kind of let it accumulate for that, so it can always kind of pinch and like gift somebody something, because I do like to gift people stuff. Anyhow, thank you for listening and watching me carry on and banter on about this Boxycharm. Please send me my cards. I might email you, because that's rude. I paid for it. Like, I review your box. I pay for your box. I do it all for free, and I don't mind. But dang, the least you could do is send me the insert that I deserve, so I don't have to take the time to look this stuff up. Anyhow, thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe out there. Bye. Bye.